In the illustrious Alamo Ranch area, located on the northwest side of San Antonio, is this amazing home at 6342 Diego Lane. This beautiful home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and is 2,596 square feet. Let's take a tour. The living room has a very high ceiling, as well as a fireplace. The kitchen space is very open, with gas appliances and a very long island in the middle. The downstairs master bedroom is very spacious, with a vaulted ceiling and hardwood flooring. The master bathroom has a garden tub, walk-in closet, and a double vanity. There's also this nice size study downstairs, right in the front of the home. Let's go see what's upstairs. Upstairs has a second living room, along with 3 bedrooms and a full-size bathroom. The entire upstairs is carpeted, and the bedrooms come equipped with ceiling fans and a ton of space. The backyard is big and beautiful. There's plenty of space to roam around freely, and there's also a covered patio, perfect for barbecuing. For a full report on this home or any home for sale, or if you'd like to do a free home search that's more accurate than what you find on the internet, log on to our website, give us a call, or send us a text. We're always happy to help.